Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create calendar in Python. If you are interested in Python, I will ask that you consider following this tutorial. Now without wasting time, let's just start off. I will begin by typing import calendar. Year 2024, and I'll write a comment here. Year, then month, okay. I'll tell this one is a month. I'll also write a comment here that the program to display the calendar. Now I have to print calendar dot month. So we have year and month. Now let me try to run this program. I will click on this run button and the program will be opened on terminal. So let me run it. Now we have our calendar down here. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing so that next time if I drop another video like this, YouTube will be able to notify you. Let's meet in the next video.